Did you know that the way you prepare potatoes can actually transform them from a comfort food indulgence into a nutritional powerhouse that helps with weight management and gut health? If you've been avoiding potatoes because you think they're just empty carbs, you might be missing out on their incredible health benefits. In this video, we're going to unravel the fascinating world of potatoes, from how their starches can be transformed into gut-friendly resistant starch, to how this simple shift can support weight loss, regulate blood sugar, and even improve your mental well-being. Plus, stick around, because at the end, I'll be sharing a delicious potato salad recipe that maximizes all these benefits. Imagine if you could enjoy potatoes guilt-free and still meet your health goals. What if I told you that the secret lies in how you cook and cool them? It turns out, the process known as retrogradation can change the structure of starch in potatoes, transforming it into resistant starch. In other words, you cook the potatoes and cool them for a few hours in the refrigerator, better yet, overnight. But why does this matter? Let's dive into the science behind it. This brings us to a key point. The resistant starch found in cooled potatoes is a game changer for weight management and blood sugar control. Because it's digested more slowly, resistant starch leads to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream, helping to prevent the spikes and crashes that can occur with regular starch. Eating potatoes early in the day, such as for breakfast or lunch, can be particularly beneficial, as it allows you to take advantage of their appetite-curbing properties and avoid unhealthy snacking later on. But it's not just about weight management. Did you know that your gut health affects nearly every aspect of your well-being, including your mood? This is because of the gut-brain axis, a connection between your digestive system and your brain. Resistant starch acts as a prebiotic, feeding the trillions of bacteria in your gut that perform vital functions like aiding digestion, producing essential vitamins, and regulating the immune system. In turn, a diverse and healthy microbiome can reduce inflammation in the body, which has been linked to conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and even heart disease. The benefits extend beyond the gut, as a well-balanced microbiome also supports serotonin production, which can positively impact mood and emotional resilience. Let's break down why resistant starch is such a big deal for your metabolism and energy levels. When resistant starch reaches the large intestine, it ferments and releases short-chain fatty acids, which serve as an energy source for the cells lining your colon. These fatty acids also play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, improving insulin sensitivity, and boosting fat burning. That means enjoying a serving of cooled potatoes doesn't just make you feel fuller for longer, it can actually support your metabolism in the long run. So, think of potatoes not just as a carb source, but as a complex food that, when prepared correctly, can help you burn fat more efficiently and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. The process of retrogradation doesn't only increase the resistant starch content, but also makes potatoes easier on your digestive system. Many people find that regular starches can cause bloating or digestive discomfort, but resistant starch acts differently in the gut. It behaves more like fiber, bulking up stool and promoting smoother bowel movements, which can help alleviate constipation. This fiber-like action can also support a more balanced gut microbiome by encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria. As a result, you're not only improving your digestive health, but also enhancing your immune system, as a healthy gut is linked to stronger immune function. Now, what about the timing of eating potatoes? For the best results, consider consuming them early in the day. Breakfast or lunch is ideal, as the resistant starch will help keep you satisfied during the day, preventing those mid-afternoon cravings. By incorporating potatoes into a well-balanced meal with protein and healthy fats, you can further stabilize your blood sugar and optimize your body's ability to use nutrients effectively. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also when you eat it. If you've been thinking of potatoes as a dietary cheat, it's time to change that mindset. Potatoes, when prepared with intention, can be a fantastic tool for managing your weight, improving your gut health, and even supporting your mental well-being. Just don't forget that cooling step after cooking to maximize the benefits of resistant starch. And now, as promised, here's a classic potato salad recipe that embraces the benefits of resistant starch. To prepare this salad, start by covering 2 pounds yellow, red, or white potatoes with water in a large pot, keeping the skin on. Bring the water to a boil over high heat, then reduce the heat to low and let the potatoes simmer for about 10 minutes or until they become tender. Drain them and allow them to cool slightly. Once cooled, peel the potatoes and cut them into bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, combine half a cup of Hellmann's real mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of celery seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and salt to taste. Mix the ingredients together, then add 1/2 cup of thinly sliced celery, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 2 chopped hard-cooked eggs, and a 1/4 cup sweet relish or finely chopped pickles. Gently toss the cooked potato pieces into this mixture, making sure everything is well coated. Refrigerate for at least few hours. This potato salad isn't just tasty, it's also a fantastic way to reap the rewards of resistant starch. Perfect for a summer picnic or a hearty lunch, this dish gives you a healthy and satisfying meal option that supports your gut health, helps manage your weight, and keeps your blood sugar in check. So next time you're thinking about what to eat, remember that potatoes, when prepared correctly, can be a powerful ally in your health journey. Don't let the myths about carbs scare you away from enjoying this versatile and nutrient-rich food. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more natural health tips and delicious recipes from Holistic Healing Remedies. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best in healthy living.